Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Who's in the right in this video?
A few moments later.
For a second, I really thought he was sleeping while driving.
"12 seconds later.
A bit impatient or maybe a little tipsy? This idiot loses control for no apparent reason. In heavy traffic, this driver crosses 4 lanes to suddenly exit, and I have to swerve hard to avoid a collision. Did this driver do that on purpose, or is it really a slippery road? Sorry, I didn't realize it was opposite day. The other car had a stop sign, but didn't look before proceeding.
Congrats, you got jackpot! Oh my god, thank you so much. Wow, that's the way it's gonna be. Gotta finish with the most obvious song, yeah.
This idiot thought if he sped up, he'd catch the green light, but forgot what happens if someone pulls in front of him.
Oh my gosh. Oh shit. You're kidding. What happened?
This teenage driver hit and ran at a high school. I'm so confused after seeing this, but this driver figured it out. Was I in the wrong? I didn't see them until they were right next to me. My heart sank when I saw how he missed that accident. I guess he had to swerve to avoid an accident up ahead. They looked at me out the window like they hadn't done anything wrong. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.